Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to make a menu bar app with for macOS with SwiftUI. So if you don't know, a menu bar app is it appears at the top. So if you have used Docker, you might be knowing that a Docker, when you try to open the Docker app, desktop app, it appears at the top. So yeah, something like that. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you the output. So if I try to run this application, so here you can see my app has started, and it is a pretty simple app. I have just text and I have this button, and clicking on this button will quit the app. Okay, and if you see at the bottom, there was no app icon created for my this native app. If you want the app icon as well along with this menu bar icon, so what you will have to do is create a native macOS app with SwiftUI. Then over here inside info.plist, add this application is agent UI element. If it is yes, then the app icon won't be displayed at the bottom. If I make this as no, and if I try to run it, then observe the bottom as well. You should see the app icon or the app launcher at the bottom as well. Okay, if I make it as yes, I will make it as yes again. I'll stop this, make it as yes, and here firstly what you will have to do is you will have to go to your main app, and you will have to remove the Windows group SwiftUI element and replace it with menu bar extra. And here you can just give it some name as well as some image, and here I have set the style as window. And inside content view, all I have done is, so you can ignore this, inside content view I have just taken a V stack, inside that an H stack with a spacer as well as with a button and with a functionality of quitting the app. So if you see, if you want to terminate the app, you can use something like this. And here I have just a text of hello world, of hello, and just a spacer element. So as you can see, if I try to run the app again, so here at the top you can see this is my app. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.